All right, the drink we're about to make is a Cayman Sunset. First thing we'll do is put our ice in a glass here and measure out 1 shot of light rum. There we go. All right. And a half a shot of pina colada mix. There we are. And we'll go ahead and fill it up with pineapple juice. There we go. And let's mix this up real well. We've got one more ingredient, but you want to save it for last, because it's going to give us that nice sunset look that we're going for. And I know right now, I definitely like to be watching a Cayman sunset. But what we're going to have to do is just settle for the drink. Set up our glass and pour it in. There we go. And now, to give it the sunset look, get your grenadine and do about a half an ounce of grenadine. There we go. Straw and bottoms up.